friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this beautiful hairstyle. So here I'm going to be parting the hair from the center. I'm going to use the center of her nose as my guide. So I'm going to part this, but I'm going to be parting it all the way to the center or to the back. I'll just part it to this particular point here, and I'll be parting out circle at the center of her head. So I'm going to use this one as my guide to get the center. This actually takes me time to do, but it took me time to get the circle. But if you have patience and you can get it done. So this is me trying to create that circle at the center there. So after creating the circle, I made sure that it was kind of neat. I made sure that the circle was neat, even if it's not perfect, but it was somewhere close to perfect. You can see I have my circle there at the center. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be detangling this particular one, because that is just it. I won't be working with it again. I'll just detangle it, and I'll use this rubber band to hold it down. I'm pretty done with that particular one. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be parting this one. I won't be starting from the center of her nose. I'll be creating this kind of box or square something at the center. I don't know how to explain it, but I know you can get what I'm doing by watching the video. So here I'm going to be holding it down with elastic. I'm going to be holding it down with black rubber band. So after holding it down, I'm going to braid it. I'm going to braid it, and I'm going to braid it all the way up. This is the kind of hairstyle you do for crazy hair day. Even if you're working with Halloween hairstyle, this works perfect for it, as if you're making a spider kind of hairstyle. So here I'm going to be parting this particular side too as well. I'm making sure that the quantity is the same. That is the pattern quantity, that they are the same. So after braiding this particular one here, we'll be braiding it all the way around. So I'll be doing this one again, and after holding this one down and detangling it, I'll go ahead to braid it all the way to the end. So after braiding it, I have this. So now I'm going to be showing you a close-up look on how to do that. So here I'm going to hold it down with this elastic rubber band. So here I'm going to be dividing the hair into 3. Just watch carefully, you see what I'm doing. I'll divide it into 3, and like this I'll hold this one down. I'll get this one from this side to this side, and I'll be flipping it over, just like you see me do. Like this is not that difficult. So this is practically how I braid the hair, and I'll be doing it all the way to the end. So once I get to the end, I kind of twist the hair, so that it will be in place. So after doing that, I'm going to part the remaining ones that are remaining. I'll part and braid, I'll part and braid. So here it is. It's kind of done. So I just want it to be more crazy. So here I'm going to be adding this. I don't know if I should call this bands, but they are big. They are big, but they are colorful, and I love it. So here I'm going to be putting on the blue one at this particular one here. I'll put on the blue one. I'll put on the blue one here. This is going to make it to be more crazy. This works perfectly if you're making a Halloween hairstyle, or crazy day hairstyle at school, just for my girls. So here I'm going to be putting on the red one, and I make sure that I put different colors all the way to the back. I make sure I put different colors. So if this is the first time of seeing our faces, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. This our channel is just me and my girls, me trying different Pinterest inspired hairstyles on them. I also make clothes for them too, and sometimes we vlog, but it's mostly the hairstyle. So this is it. I've finished putting on the big ones, so I'll go ahead to put on the small ones, and I'll be putting the same color, just like you see me putting on the blue one here. I'm putting the small blue one at the end, and this one here I have pink, and I'll be putting the small pink at the end of the pink. I'll go ahead to do it to all of them except for the white, because the white didn't have a small color. The small rubber band doesn't have white color, I mean to say. So I think I ended up putting red there. So that is just it. If you are still watching up to this moment, please do well to like this video, and also leave me a comment. Drop a comment for me, whatever it is. You can even use an emoji. Drop a comment for me. Thank you so much for the engagement. I really appreciate. So after putting on the rubber bands, I'll go ahead to put on these butterfly clips. I want to go extra to make the hair more crazy, more colorful. So I'm going to be putting on butterfly clips, different colors of butterfly clips, and if you watch closely, you see that I'm almost putting on each color close to the color, putting on each butterfly clips color close to the color of the band, if you get what I'm saying. So this is it. I'm going to put the butterfly clips on the hair to make the hair more colorful. So now what I want you to let me know now in the comments is, this hairstyle, does it make sense? Does it make sense for, let me say, a Halloween hairstyle or a crazy day hair day at school? Will you be trying this hairstyle? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel and also turn on notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. You can share this hairstyle with other moms. Yeah, you can share it with other moms or any caregiver that has a children that can make the hairstyle for, that they can make the hairstyles for. So this is it, us. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next video, bye.